In this video, we will be discussing how to remove the extrusion from your GEMINI Garage door motor. You can start by opening the cover of the motor. On the bottom of the motor, you will see the extrusion connected to the motor. To separate the extrusion harness from the motor, disengage the plug by unclipping it and moving it out of the way. Once this step has been completed, proceed by adding gentle pressure on the black motor mount clip towards the outside of the motor. This will release the clip and slide the motor out of the extrusion. After the motor has been extracted, you may proceed to carefully disengage the extrusion from the motor head by pulling the two units apart. During the reinstallation process, it is important to ensure that the sprocket gear side is oriented towards the motor's side, as failure to do so will impede the ability to slide the motor back into the extrusion. Remember to reconnect the harness by plugging it in. You can then gently push the motor towards the extrusion to engage the clip and secure it back into place. Your garage motor should now be ready for operation.